The best way to exponentially grow your money is none other than real estate investment. That's the truth. But before you jump into real estate investment, there are a few things you need to know. This video will give you the top 3 secret tips for first-time real estate investors. Watch this video till the end to avoid the mistakes that 90% of the investors make. Get to know the basics of investment. Before investing in property, it's important to know the basics. What type of property are you interested in? What's the market like in your area? How much can you afford to invest? Do your research and ask questions to ensure you understand the risks and rewards involved in real estate investment. Anytime you're considering investing, it's important to do your research first. This is especially true if you're new to investing. You need to know what you're getting into and understand the risks involved. Otherwise, you could end up losing a lot of money. When you're just starting out in real estate investment, it's important to define and stick to your goals. What are you hoping to achieve with this investment? How much money do you want to make? What kinds of properties are you looking to buy? Sticking to your goals will help you focus your efforts and stay on track. It's also important to keep in mind that there will be bumps in the road, so keep going if things go differently than planned. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your real estate empire.